Hello there guys, it's Gambling Performance today, and basically I've had my mic all along and I didn't even realise, so hopefully this sounds a lot better. So I hope to God you're enjoying your early morning. I have just deposited £200 because I didn't know I had my mic, but obviously silly me, now I've got my mic, so here we go, wish me luck. Just hopefully guys this sounds a lot clearer for you. I haven't been on this one before, so we'll give this one a try. And if you want guys, if you want to grab your free promotions, get yourself over to William Hill, Ladbrokes, even slotboss.co.uk and sign up and they give you a free £10. I know it's not a lot, but you'll gain some money back. Come on. Give me the bonus. That's what we want guys, a bonus on this one. Epoxy pound off £4 spin. I know it's a bit late guys, but if I knew I had my mic earlier I would have done some more videos better. So thank you to my friend named Daniel Parker. He's got a wicked channel going, HD documentaries. So if you got relatives who like documentaries, get yourself over to his channel. But yeah, I can do shout outs as well, so if you want your channel shout out, drop a comment below and I'll give you a shout out. But I having no luck on this one guys, so probably have better luck to, oh, £54. Oh. Oh, £14, we're getting somewhere slowly. Yeah, 50p. Right guys, it says big bet in this corner here, so I'm gonna see what this means. Right, we'll do £30. I don't know what that means. 75p off a £30 spin. £5.25. Huh. Right guys, we'll do another one of them. I don't mind. £32. Oh well, that's a little bit better, I think. As long as I get over my £200 mark, I'll be happy. £1.50. Go and buy your girlfriend some flowers with £1.50. Only kidding, guys. £2.25. It's a double cheeseburger right there. Alright guys, we ain't doing that no more because we ain't winning nothing. I'm just wasting money, I might as well just give it away. Right guys, what we am going to do is, because we was just playing with £30, I'm fancying a £10 spin. So as long as that bonus comes in, if that bonus comes in, we might as well buy everyone a point. I thought we'd have had at least a little bit of luck on this one. £10 a spin. A fiver. Oh, what's going on here? Guys, I actually don't know what's going on, so 53 quid, all that for that, 53 quid. Well, then again, it's better than nothing, I guess. It's just the bonus we want. Yeah, guys, gone from £200 to £105. Just another one then in the middle, we would have had that. Come on. It's always the way. A little fiver. Come on. Oh, look. It's a fiddle, guys, when it does something like that. It wants to give it you, but then it chooses not to. That's it, we're down to our brass buttons now. Well, we was. Come on. Come on. No win now, guys. We're left with 20p. Oh. Wow. Right, guys, there you have it all. Right, please like and subscribe, and just remember, drop your comments below for shout outs. I'm happy to do that. And it was nice chatting through to you guys, so yeah, enjoy the rest of your morning. Right, thank you guys.